Hi. So you know that we have been discussing about this data set with 4 columns and 7 rows. And now in previous video, we discussed about ends with. Now, um, you already know that in couple of scenarios, we need to change the data type of our columns. And for that, what we are going to do, let me test it in this way. Say, let me first comment this out. Say we have this column salary. Okay. Let me replace this with salary. Okay. And after that, I will use the existing column salary. Okay. All right. And then what we are going to do, we will use cast. Okay. Most of you must be familiar with cast function in SQL. And what we will do here, we will cast it as double. Okay. Yeah. All right, so this is here. Let me remove this bracket so that we can close the with column. Okay, now let me see what output we get. So just remember that we have the integer values here defined, right? As we defined here, integer type. Okay, now let me run it. Okay, now if you see, it has been converted to values with decimals. Okay, and null has been untouched. All right, now say we want to convert it into string. Okay, and although it's of no major use because it's a number and we may have to do different kind of aggregations on salary, and for that it's not helpful. So let me try using string here, and there we go, right? So there is no major difference visible here between these two columns because it behaves just like uh, integer when it is being shown, but at aggregation level it will be a text. So that's all I wanted to discuss in this video. Let's see you in the next one.